So I hope everybody had a good week. I'm a little late on this video because I tried to do it day before yesterday, and I hit a button on my camera which made everything really blurry. So I have the footage, but it's blurry, so we're going to try it again. This recipe is something I came up with. It's a little bit different, so you're trying it with me. But the last one we made was really good, so we're going to get started. So hang on. Okay. We have got about 1.5 pounds, maybe 1.25 pounds of ground beef. Okay, I'm going to make it like I make meatloaf, which my meatloaf is very simple. I don't put a whole lot in it, but it has great flavor and it stays together very well. I do usually put toppings on it, but I'm not going to do it for this. This is going to be like meatballs. And what we're making is tortellini, meatballs wrapped, tortellini wrapped in meatballs. So the tortellinis have in them ricotta, mozzarella, and Romano cheeses. I was hoping to find, you know, something with mushrooms or something, but they didn't have anything, so we're going to use the cheese ones. I'm also using, so these are the tortellinis I bought. So I'm also using this cheese with 4 different, I think it's 4 different cheeses. Mozzarella, provolone, parmesan, romano, and fontina, and asiago. So it's 6 cheeses. But I don't think I have enough of this one, so when I get, if it's not enough, then I'll use a little bit of mozzarella and parmy, because we all know, you know, those flavors go together. So also, last time I used marinara, but I couldn't find any, so I just got a chunky pasta sauce, roasted garlic, so that should be pretty tasty. I'm going to add a little extra Italian seasoning. I'm going to use salt and the pepper, and a can of evaporated milk. Now last time I didn't have evaporated milk, so I used heavy whipping cream, so just know that works too. Also a package of Lipton onion soup. And let's see here. Anything else? Breadcrumbs. I have breadcrumbs I'm going to put in my meatloaf. So let's go ahead and start putting things in. And I'm just guessing at the amounts on these, you know, probably depends on how much you like, so I'll put about a teaspoon in there of Italian seasoning, and probably a teaspoon of salt, because that's what I did last time and it worked out pretty good. Okay. Your Lipton onion soup has kind of adds a little bit of salt to it, so you don't have to have that much. Probably half a teaspoon of pepper. Whoa. Almost had a disaster of pepper. Okay, so then we're going to put our Lipton onion soup in there. Now, you could probably add more Lipton onion soup, but it just depends on you, what you like, you know. So, this is going to be yummo, I promise. It turned out really good last time. Okay, scooch everything out of my way here. So, I have got a casserole dish. Doesn't matter what size, we're just making meatballs. Okay. So let's put, okay, I'm going to use this whole can of cream in there. Oh, that's not the cream. Hang on. I opened the wrong can. You guys was probably laughing at me too for holding up vegetables, right? Here's the canned cream. Okay, whole can of cream. Okay, maybe not quite enough. Okay, we can remedy that. Last time I used about a half a cup. I used a whole can this time. I will put a few more crumbs in it and that should do it. Maybe I just didn't have enough hamburger. So let's do about another half a cup of crumbs. Let's see where that gets us. I'm just going to put a few more in there. It's almost in the right spot. I could probably do them like that, but okay. So if you got a pound and a half or a pound and a quarter of hamburger, let's do half a can of cream. Okay, let's see what we got here, how it does. That's 2 tortellinis. Just going to put them in there. Roll them up. Okay. A little bit big, but just 1 tortellini normally. Okay, we're just putting them in the casserole dish. And I've set my oven to 350. Still think I need a little more crumbs. I'm going to say about a cup and a half of crumbs after all this. But not if you would have used less canned cream, so you really don't need it. Okay, that's a little bit better. And I'm just patting it out in my hand, putting a tortellini in the middle and rolling it around it. Rolling it, put it in the dish. Okay, tortellini. You bit these pretty. There we go. Now, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I didn't have mushrooms for last time, but I'm going to throw a few in. I just think it'll do nothing but enhance the flavor. So we'll just throw them babies in there. Okay, also now we're going to throw in some tortellinis on top of that. Maybe. share these because it's just me and my husband, and this is a lot of food. Okay, there's that. Now, we'll go ahead and maybe salt again one more time. Just a light dusting there. Okay. Do pepper. Well, this is all up to you guys, because, you know, this is a experimental dish. We did make it once, but the video didn't turn out. Oh, honey. Yay! He got it. Okay, so now we're going to pour this over it. Just pour it all over it. Here we go. Yummo. Alrighty, now, cheese. Last but definitely not least. Ooh, that cheese smells good. A little bit extra. Make sure there's no cheese in there. Okay, a little bit more punny. Alright, now then, and that cheese you just guess. Put it on like you like it. Now I'm going to cook it, or I'm going to bake it covered at first for about 45 to 50 minutes. You'll just have to check it. And after that, then take the cover off and set to broil to like brown your cheese or crisp up your cheese a little bit. And then we will taste it. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is our end result here. Looks pretty tasty. So I cooked it for like 50 minutes and then I turned my broiler on for a little bit. So let's get some out and try it. Okay. Ah! Okay. Oops. Oopsie. Okay. So there's what we have. There's the meatball. You see that? Let's cut it open. There's what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, boy. That looks good. Now, Now let me get a fork and we'll try it. Okay, that's very hot. Yep. Even though I had to add extra breadcrumbs, it's great. Good taste, babe? Okay. You let me know what you think. You like that?
That's awesome.
Okay, good. Alright, so anyway guys, give it a try. I'm going to sit down and write this one down in my journal. Again, this journal just has all your different categories, appetizers. This is all, and you just fill it in yourselves. But anyway, the link will be in the description if you want one. So, just give it a try. It's really, really good. And some garlic bread would be awesome with this, but I haven't made any yet. But yeah, that would be great with this. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And share it if you think somebody else would like to know how to make it. And I will see you next time. Bye.